Hello, in this video we're going to be talking about shutter speed, ISO and aperture. My name is Dimitar and you're watching RDR Photography UK. In today's video we're going to be talking about photography fundamentals. So we're going to try to cover the shutter speed, ISO and f-number. Welcome to our guide of mastering the fundamentals of photography. Today we will delve into the three pillars of exposure: shutter speed, ISO and aperture. So let's start with the shutter speed. Shutter speed controls the amount of time the camera shutter remains open, determine how long light is allowed to hit the camera sensor. A faster shutter speed freezes motion. Fast cars, moving cars, and you try to freeze the motion. That's ideal for sports photography and wildlife. On the other hand, slower shutter speed introduces more blur. That's ideal for flowing water and also car lights at night. Next one is ISO. ISO measures the camera's sensor sensitivity to light. A lower ISO value such as 100 or 200 is best for bright conditions, producing images with minimal noise. Conversely, a higher ISO, like 800 or above, increases sensitivity and makes it ideal for low light situation but maybe introduce grain or noise to the image. Lastly, aperture, represented by f-number on your camera. The f-number controls the size of the opening in the lens through which the light enters the camera. A wider aperture indicated by a lower f-number like f2.8 creates a shallow depth of field, perfect for isolating subjects from the background and creating beautiful bokeh. Conversely, smaller aperture denoted by a higher f-number like f16 increases depth of field, ensuring that both foreground and background are in sharp focus. In conclusion, mastering shutter speed, ISO and aperture allows you to take control of your photography, unleashing your creativity and capturing stunning images in any situation. Now grab your camera and start experimenting. Happy shooting! Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it, and please feel free to share, subscribe and like our videos. Also, please feel free to comment down below with suggestions how can I improve my videos and the content. Thank you.